Hello, my friends. My name is Yuri, and let's start our weekly market overview. That's why right now, push like, write a comment. Do you hear me currently? If yes, it will be a good signal that we can start. For me, it's important to understand that sound good, voice good, and video is good. Write please in a chat, for example. Yuri, everything good? Voice sound good? Let's go. Just write it, please. And few I will remind for every be now started. We are started. Yes. Good, friends. Nice to see everyone. Nice to see every one of you here. Write, please, where you from, and write, please, your experience. For example, my name is Yuri. 7 years in trading. From Kiev, Ukraine. Write please few words about yourself because it is interesting to understand who is here with me, because sometimes if there will be different people, I will speak about different topics. 2 months in trading. Hello Jack, nice to see you here. Fantastic gold trade. You're welcome. Yes. Key level system works, and as you saw it, and you can also you can also master it. You are Forex giant. Better to say I'm a trading giant because I I trade different markets, and what I can tell you, I trade different markets, and I don't speak that I am only a fixed trader. When I see good opportunities on gold, I trade gold. When I see crypto, I trade crypto. When I see good stock, I trade stocks. That's why it not makes sense to trade only one market. Okay, friends, awesome. Okay, New York, New York, learning how to trade. Uh, good. Friends, those who are learning how to trade a few days ago, better to say yesterday, I recorded first video about trading, and those of you, I recommend after this webinar to watch that video, and it will be really useful for you. My name is Ahmed from Egypt. Ahmed, nice to see you here. Still lose. I'm 1 month trading, still lose. I I was losing in trading first 3 years, and you speak only about 1 month. It's really small period of time to master system, to understand how really it works on a lower time frame, bigger time frame, how to use money management. 1 month it is nothing. It's only understand how platform works. Uh, from India, nice to see India here. You are the best guy. I'm in gold, getting a lot of pips. Good. Close about gold. You can close at least a half and move and hold your entry. What time is it for you? In my country, it is 5 p.m. Gold. Glad to see you. And what's going on gold? With huge possibility, gold will hit 1,480. At this moment, if you hold buy position, I recommend to close at least half of it. Hi bro, Blair here from Germany was also in last live. Thanks for your analysis. Took a few point profits from it. You're welcome. Nice to see you here. It's pleasure for me to read such feedback that everything is good. Okay. How can I join your VIP Signal group? Friends, about VIP Signals group, here is few seconds. VIP Signals group. Here is assistant of my a number of my assistant Valerie. Many of you ask about it. Just write to Valerie. She will, for those who on this webinar, she will do best proposition. I always do best proposition for those who are on this webinar, and when we have webinar, during the webinar you will get best price. I'm green all the way, Nigeria. Okay, from Singapore. Friends, few seconds. I will read all questions, all your comments, and after that we start. Only 1-2 minutes, and we start our overview. Hi from London. Good. I have a plan to go to London to live there for a while because I need to improve my English because I'm not native speaker. It's only my third language. Hi Yuri, I'm from Burma. Your channel is really cool. I always check your gold trade alert. Today I missed your gold alert. So sad. That's the reason why you should always follow my gold. Telegram, yes. Hi from Thailand. Let's. Yes, we will meet each other in London. You can write to me in Facebook. We can communicate together, and when I will be there, we also can meet and drink a coffee together. Okay, friends. Good. Good. We can start our weekly market overview. Please, can you analyze S&P 500? Of course, I will do S&P 500. Okay, friends, how we will do our webinar? First, I will speak about major currency pair, gold, oil, indexes, and Bitcoin. If there any instrument which is interesting for you, write it into a chat because I will cover only major instruments. Or some additional like New Zealand, Swiss franc, something exotic, only only in that case I'll analyze it. Okay, friends, let's go. Push like, write a comment, and let's go. Yuri, your gold analysis are dope. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't understand that kind of English. Okay, friends, let's start from Euro USD. Few seconds, I want to. About Euro USD, what I would like to show to you. A few seconds, please. A few days ago, price bounced from this key level on 1.10. It is key level plus round number. What you need to understand about round numbers, it makes key level more powerful. That's why in that case, that means price bounced from this, and as you see, this key level. With huge possibility, Euro USD will continue uprise. If you still hold buy position, you can hold it till before this key level. After that, we will need to see how price will react, because if price will break it up to pull back, we will open good buy entry. Okay, go ahead. British pound. Price in this range, this accumulation. At this moment there is no entry because really good entry was here when price was nearly this mirror level on bigger picture, on bigger time frame. A few seconds I will do, because I see that. Few seconds. Okay, something like this I will do. You will see my face and you will see all chart. Good. Good, friends, and what I can tell you from about British pound, at this moment there is no entry because price in a range with huge possibility, mostly price continue trend. At this moment price in uptrend, that's why with huge possibility price will break it up and will continue uprise. The best for you is to open a position after a pullback into this area, or if price will break it up to continue uprise, at least to this area, because with huge possibility price will hit this key level, and with huge possibility price will hit this key level, and there would be really the best entry which we will be able to find. Friends, write please, is it good with video, because I see that there's some problem. Friends, write please into a chat, is everything good with video? Poor quality. So sad. I will check, is there something what I can close? Only trading you. Okay, I would close Telegram. Few seconds please. Friends, few seconds please. I would quick Telegram. Would quick this stuff. What else? And that's all stuff which I have, which I can quit. Friends, let's go, we will do it. Okay, also I would close in this case. I would close trading view. I hope it will help. uh, Now it seems to be okay. Good. Put quality. uh, what do you mean by the word how to join, please? Where to join? Where do you would like to join? Okay, I think I think it's okay with British pound. I think we can go to another instrument. If you have some questions or you need something to clarify about some instrument, just write for me in the chat. About euro versus British pound, price so close to this historical low. With huge possibility, when price will hit it, we will have accurate buy entry. That's why wait for this key level 0.8470. Okay, how to join your signal room? Above I sent my assistant contacts. Write to my assistant. She will give you best proposition for free and buy year package. Right now, just join and you will be with me. Okay, go ahead. British pound, Japanese yen. Price bounced from a border of this range. At this moment, there is no any good entry because price already bounced from it. What would be the best for us? For example, if today price would close something in the middle of that range, tomorrow we will, and best entry will be if price will break it up and we will be able to open buy entry because we have uptrend, price in accumulation. With huge possibility it will continue at least into this mirror area from which price bounced so many times. Can you close the cam? Maybe I can, but oh my god, how to close the cam? If be honest, friends, I think it would be better if you place your face on the lower left corner. Yes, I just did it. Good, friends. Go ahead. Thank you for your feedbacks. Thank you for all of you for your feedbacks. Also, please push like and share it with your friends. Go ahead. Euro Japanese yen. At this moment, price start uptrend. Better to say uprise. If daily candle will close above this key level, with huge possibility it will continue uprise. I personally will open a position only if price will break up this key level, because from this key level price bounces so many times. In this area I would open buy position with low risk. Okay, go ahead. New Zealand. Price in a range only if price will break it up or down. I would open a position. No entry at this moment. Australian, also not interesting. Hi Yuri. Ricardo, hi, nice to see you. Okay, good. Now we will have this camera position. I just only tested it. British pound, Australia. Okay, I will do it. Friends, write in chat instruments which is interesting for you. Okay, go ahead. At this moment, if be honest, Australia also is so horrible to trade, and I personally would not like to trade Australia because at this moment there is no clear entry place. That's why, if be honest, I am out from this instrument. Canadian dollar price still price between two key levels, between this key level and between this key level, and better to say price in this accumulation huge. If be honest, friends, be honest, it's really horrible place to open a position because price in a range, and in every moment price can continue that sideways move. Best entry will be only after breakout. It will be really good entries. About gold, the screen is very blurred. Okay friends, if there any other stuff with my internet, just write to me. I will do something better. Euro Japanese, please. Thank you. Few minutes ago I did Euro Japanese yen. After this webinar you will be able to see it again and will find Euro Japanese yen. Euro Swiss franc. Friends, this instrument still in a range so many days, and it's not worth to trade at this moment. Only when price will break it up or down, we will have a good and accurate entry, something like this one or something like this one. That's why better is to be out from this instrument. British pound Canadian. Okay, I'll do it. I see you well. Good, thank you. Screen is very good, bro. Problem is not your internet, it's the internet of the person. Thank you for such help. Hi Sir, can you create a discussion group, please? I already have discussion group in Telegram, and you can open it. You can open my Telegram, subscribe, and the link on discussion group. Okay, go ahead. Japanese yen. At this moment, Japanese yen is really tricky and interesting, because as you see, every low become higher, price bounces from this level. Two scenarios. First, only if price will break down this triangle, only in that case we will have good sell entry. Also, I would personally would open a position if price will break up this key level, and after pullback we will have accurate buy entry. That's what I personally would do on Japanese yen. Thank you for so much. Love you. You're welcome. Good. Gold. Gold bounced from this key level. I recorded a video about it, and you can check it on TradingView. That's a reason why you should follow me on TradingView, because some accurate ideas I record and send it on TradingView, because it is, you have sometimes few minutes to open a position and to take a trade. That's why right now below this video you will find a link on our TradingView. He does not see the future. Yes, I don't see the future. I have a skill. I see key levels, and I work with probabilities. You need to understand, traders don't see a future. We work with probabilities. That means, for example, 60% of entries is profitable, average profit in 3 times, 4 times, 5 times bigger than a risk. That's what a professional trading. What you mean? It is what is a trading software? MT4. I have different software, different trading platforms. So the most valuable for me it is MT4 and TradingView. Friends, please push like. I see only 18 likes, and there are so many of you who are watching it. Please push like right now. It's really pleasure for me to see it. What's about gold? As you see, with huge possibility price bouncing from it, and with huge possibility price will hit 8,480. If we would take a look on futures on gold. What is futures? It is a real instrument from Chicago Mercantility Exchange. It is a place where it creates, and you can see that here we have 8,480, really powerful level from which price bounced so many times so accurately. That's why what would be the best for every of us is, if price will come to this level, we'll do a false breakout and we will be able to open sell. Because reason, all indexes rising, United States cut interest rate, price were in this range, in this huge accumulation. That's good confirmation to continue downtrend. With huge possibility in 1 month, in 2 months, we can see 1,400 on gold. About long term, be honest, it's hard to speak about long term what could be on gold, because we didn't see crisis last 2 years, and if crisis will start, it can boost to 2000 in few months. But as a traders, we open a position in exactly price range, and we should pick the best price. That's why for sell 8480 it would be the best after first breakout, breakout. Just like you, my sweetheart. Thank you. Oh, actually, Kinov. I don't understand how you set key level there. On gold, you didn't see how many times price bounced from this level? You didn't see it? No, if you didn't see it, how can I help you? From trading is it right? At this moment, Japanese yen is selling, yes. But for long term, it's hard to. For midterm, yes, it's selling. Roosted, okay. I don't understand what means roosted. Okay, and few words about oil. As you see, I hold oil position. Also, I sent oil position for my VIP members. At this moment, I think oil can continue drop, and if you would take a look on this stuff, you would see that oil bounced from border of the range. And for me, will be really important to see how price will react on this border of the range, because if oil will break it down, with huge possibility it will hit this level, will break it down, and will hit this level. For me, it will be really awesome. At this moment, what you can do, you can set a sell limit in this area, to continue down drop, because the reason. Also here we have border of the range, and you can check how price made false breakout, and also how price made this trap before price start uprising. You can check it here. After such trap, it's really awesome to trade, because big players accumulate good volume. It's based on her risk proposition, Berlin. I understood when to open a position and where take profit, but where stop loss? How many pips below over mirror level? In few days, I will share a video about I will share a video how to set stop losses properly. That's why you should follow my YouTube channel right now. You can subscribe and push notification when we will upload new video. You will get notification about how to set stop losses properly. That's why right now I recommend to you to subscribe, push subscribe right now. Okay, friends, about oil at this moment, I think at this moment I want to say it again. Price bearish at this moment. What would be the next? You need to understand, so many days price in this range, and somehow price will break out that range, and you need to understand, if price will break it down this range, we have this mirror level, and it will be a key point to open a second sell on oil. Okay, thank you, brother. I follow you already on TradingView and YouTube, and I'm in your Telegram group. Good. You should be there in all our free messengers in our YouTube. How to use ATR? About ATR also, so soon you will see a video on YouTube, and that's why you should follow me, and there you will get best explanation. Few seconds, someone is calling to me. Okay, we done with oil, friends. We done with currency pairs. Oil, right? Instruments which is interesting for you. British pound Canadian. Okay, let's start with British pound Canadian. British pound Canadian. A few seconds. Price broke up this range, this triangle. With huge possibility it will continue uprise. Best will be if price tomorrow will do false breakout of this level, we open buy position. It is the best scenario for all of us. If you resell oil, we must follow him. Be honest. Be honest. You need to. Yes, it's good that you're watching me. It helps you to learn better. But you need to learn how to make your own decision. It will help you in long term. Canadian dollar versus Swiss franc. Okay, I think it's better to open trading view because only on trading view I have such exotic instruments. Canadian dollar. Friends, write in a chat instruments which is interesting for you right now, and I'll analyze it, and you will see it. Also, what I would like to tell you, a few weeks ago, I recorded my educational course where I teach people how to trade key levels, how to identify key levels. I show type of key levels. Also, I showed three type of entries nearly key levels, how to set stop losses, how to calculate risk, how to analyze your trading. After that, you will have step-by-step plan how to trade this strategy. That's why right now you can write to my assistant Valerie about that proposition. That's why few seconds. Here is it is here. It is her Telegram and where's number, and it is phone number where we have Telegram and WhatsApp. Right, you can write now, and for those who on this webinar you will get best proposition, best offer. Okay, British pound Canadian. Yuri, we need to wait until June close on. Yes, the best will be if daily candle will close above that level, and after pullback we open buy position. It is the best. Go ahead. Canadian dollar versus Swiss franc. Okay, Canadian dollar versus Swiss franc. I should open daily candle because only on daily chart I would be able to tell you what really can happen. At this moment it looks, if be honest, it looks like we have mirror level here, and price made falls back out of that mirror level. That means with huge possibility it will continue down drop. If you want to open position, best to open position nearly this key level with stop loss above this tail and take profit. Midterm goal could be even to into this area before this low. Australian, I already did Australian United States dollar. You should check it when we finish this video. You'll be able to check it again. Okay, British pound Australia, good. British pound Australia at this moment still in this uptrend, and better to say what is interesting for you. For example, you wrote about British pound Australia. Do you want to open a position, or you already have? Oh my god. You can see a price in this uptrend, and with huge possibility price will continue uptrend, but best is to open buy after some pullback. If price will do a pullback, for example, into this area, you can open a buy position. It's not really wise to open buy here because your risk would be really to this key level. British pound Swiss franc. Okay, price in this range, as you see, how it's to say, price in this range, and we should wait how price will react on this range. Only when price will break it out up or break it down, that would be a good entry. At this moment there is no any entry. Do you have family, kids? How much time do you spend trading per day? For I'm mostly a swing trader. I rarely trade intraday. I set alerts nearly key levels, and after that I wait. For example, like here you can see it on this video. Alert on British pound Swiss franc. Here is a key level. If price will hit that level, I will get notification and will open it. Australia, United States dollar. I already did it. You will be able to watch it again this video and find it. British pound Australia, Turkish lira. Turkish lira. Few seconds, friends. Oh my God, so interesting instrument. If be honest. Also, write please in the chat who is it interesting for you to see Bitcoin? What will be with Bitcoin? If yes, write now into a chat. About Turkish lira price in this triangle, at this moment there is no any accurate entry, if be honest. Also there's, it could see like triangle inside in triangle. Oh my God, I personally would stay away from Turkish lira. I would stay away. If you open a position only if price will break out this triangle, only in that case. Yes, bro, Bitcoin also interesting. Okay, good. Do you think about developing an AI or robot based on your strategy? Yes, I'm working on it, but you will never see it because I'm planning to open a hedge fund, and I will not share it because I remember, guys, I remember when I started my trading career, it was 3 years ago, and I know one team of people who created robots, and they sell them. After that market change, their robots started working really badly, and after that when they did new updates, they didn't sell, they didn't give that update to their customers. That's why I want to do really good service, and if I want to do something, I want to do it as best as I can. That's why it's not really wise to sell robots for personal use. Yes. Okay, friends, I don't see any other instruments. That's why we will check at this moment. We will check Bitcoin. Friends, write please. Was it clear about previous instruments? Did you enjoy it? Is it okay? Please share Australia, New Zealand, Bitcoin. Okay, it would be the last currency pair, Australia, New Zealand. As you see, I sent on TradingView, I sent this idea. You can check it, nothing changed. Nearly this key level is 1.06649. You can open sell position because it is a powerful mirror level from which price bounced 2 times. You can see it here, and also price made a re-high. It makes mirror level more powerful. That's why after pullback you can open sell. You can do. Okay, friends. I think it's enough with currency pair, and let's go to Bitcoin, to crypto. I think it's enough for today for that instrument. Okay, about Bitcoin. What I would like to tell you about Bitcoin. First, you can see price in this triangle, in nearly this trend line, and near this trend line, and what I can tell you, at this moment there is no entry because we cannot open sell, because if we would open sell, our risk would be here, too huge, more than nearly 2000. If you open buy, it's also not wise because price, who knows, will price make a real low and only after that some rise. That's why at this moment wait when price will break out this range. It will be the best confirmation for you to open some accurate entry, only in that case, because here it is not accurate, you don't see a good position, and better to be out from this place. Friends, right please, is it clear about Bitcoin? Maybe you have other instrument, crypto instruments which is interesting for you. If yes, right now write about that instrument into a chat. Friends, write please about that instrument in a chat. Ripple, okay, good. Is there anything else what you would like to see? Okay, oil, gold. Yes, gold technically bullish. Litecoin, okay. Okay, I see that you would like to see major cryptocurrency pairs also. Okay, that's why we will do it. We will do it for you, friends. We will do it for you. First, let's start from Ripple, Ethereum. Okay, good. Okay, let's speak about major cryptocurrencies. Okay, daily Ripple, Bitfinex. Okay. If be honest about Ripple, friends, take a look on every Ripple rise. After that, price drop. Rise, totally drop. At this moment, it looks like Ripple will continue down drop because we have a key level here and price bounced from it. The huge possibility it will continue down drop. That's all. Only there would be only a good entry only if price will break up key level, fix above, and it will become a mirror level. Only in that case we will start buying. Get Litecoin, the same price, totally bearish. The same price, totally bearish. Price were in this accumulation, and as you see after this, when Bitcoin start rising, this pump, price didn't even close above this accumulation normally on daily candle. Take a look on all these tails. Even I don't see a daily candle which close above these tails. It's why Litecoin also is totally bearish. Crypto winter is coming. Crypto winter is coming. Totally bearish, friends. Totally bearish. Ethereum, the same price in this accumulation. Wait when price will break out this range. If be honest, as you see, price broke down this range. You can check it. That's why with huge possibility it will continue down drop. That's why, friends, I recommend to you or sell, open short position on crypto or better to be out, because with huge possibility you will get stop losses. Why do you need it? I think you don't need that stuff. What also I would like to share with you, here is my article about mirror levels. You should save it. Also here is my trustful forex broker which I personally use and have. Here is one of my account which I have there. It is 300,000. Also friends, as I spoke before, we have, you can write to us about education, about signal services, and about money management on profit sharing basis. Here is a contact of my assistant Valerie. Those of you who will write about education or will write about signals, 3-month or year package, will get the best proposition as a member of this webinar. That's why right now I recommend to every one of you to write to Valerie. Friends, thank you for your time. Have a good day. Have a good evening. See you soon. Bye.